On the armrest in the car, you rest your arm.
Hiya, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see before us, we have a lovely Citroen C1, and in this video I'm going to tackle a problem that I've been having for the 4 or so years since having this car, and that's when I get in the car, look, when I lean on there I fall over because it's too low. So I've got an armrest, and that's what this is. So I'll take it out the packet and then I'll come back. Yes. So we can see we took it out the packaging and disposed of the packaging in an environmentally friendly manner. So they're the bits that we've got to put in. And if we look closer, we can see that it's actually got USB plugs on the front of it. Now I might wire them in somehow so they're hardwired. I might not do, we'll have to see. We've got this bit here, which is a stand for it. And we've got some instructions, which are for the wrong car. So they're a waste of time. And if we look at how it fits, if we look at the shape at the bottom of there, we can see that that marries up to the shape of down there, where it's lovely and clean. So that is going to go in there, but not yet because I'm not ready to put it in yet. Because first, well, if we look here, we've got some USB sockets on the front of the beautiful leather, genuine pleather armrest. And I was going to wire them in so that you couldn't see any wires, the wires were all inside and what have you. But it seems that the way you do it, it's got an adapter with it. It seems that you just plug it into there, bring a wire over here, because it's going to be round here, and then put a USB into one of these as an input, and then the ones are just joined together as an output, it seems like. So I'm just not going to bother doing that because I ain't got the stuff I need to make it so it's all inside, or I can't be arsed enough to do it, to be honest with you. So I'm just going to wire it in as it's meant to be designed. So now, if we look here, we've got this base, which needs to go in first. So we see the shape of it, it fits into there. Hold on, it fits into there, and then this pushes down. Make sure that these are out of the way a bit, because this would probably be easy if you don't have Mark II seats, because the Mark II seats are a little bit fatter. And then it goes in there like so. And then once we've pushed that down nice and aggressively, we can see that we've got 3 holes in the bottom. So we grab 3 of the included screws and then nice and carefully screw them in. Yes. And then now, that is nice and securely like it's a factory fit part. So we can go ahead and fit this, which the open end wants to be at the front because that's going to slide onto it afterwards. So we need 4 more screws to put into the 4 more corners of this, which I've carefully put into place and will now tighten. Yes. And now we can put this on. So if we look carefully, we can see that there's these doofers here which slide into these doofers here, and it's adjustable because it's got multiple locking places for this high quality locking tab to go into. And all we do is, well, we just might have to take the handbrake down a little bit, but we might not have to, so we'll try and do it without first. Just need to feel it in and line it up like so, and then we can see that now that is in place and solid, and now that is in fact fully fitted. So as you can see, it makes the vehicle a much tidier place to be due to the amount of storage that we've got, and well, it's quite comfortable as well. Now the only thing, like I said before, is I've got Mark II seats and it is a little bit tight against them, but it's usable. So yeah, like I said about the this come with it, and to use them I've got to plug that into there, and then this wire come with it, which I've got to trail across to there anyway. So that's a bit of a waste of time, might as well just use that. So, like I said, that is complete. And it does add a level of comfort into the car. Now, the handbrake is a little bit less accessible, but not really enough to matter. And then the gear stick, well, that's fine. It's not getting in the way of the gear stick. So, I think that is all for this one. I will leave a link of where I got it from, even though I don't know if this R has anymore, but I'll leave it anyway. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all the usual shit, and I'll see you next time.